Hello and welcome on this beautiful sunny day. It's absolutely amazing in Mill Park today, and I thought, oh, it's a good day to film something for you. I have a notebook here where I write down ideas for videos, but you always ask what it's like to live in a caravan full time every day. What does your normal day-to-day life looks like? So today I decided to ditch my scenarios, my scripts, my ideas, and just show you raw life in a caravan on a sunny day. I have just finished lunch. We had a nice walk with Diesel, and now I will do some chores. So this is everyday life in a caravan for you, chores. Join me on this beautiful sunny day to see how I live in a caravan full time in England. Lunches in the garden are absolutely beautiful on a sunny day, and I love eating outside. And Diesel loves to chill outside on the sunny day. He has a bit of the sun, a bit of shade, whatever he wants. I have a few things to do, but I still have a bit of A left from my lunch, so I'll just sit and enjoy that, and then I will do my chores. Right. It looks like the time is up, the leisure time is over, time to do some work. A responsible adult would do the work first, then have a drink, but oh, it's done now. What can I do? Time to do those chores. I hope you will help out. Let's start with the laundry. Because the weather is good, it will dry outside today. So how is doing the washing different in a caravan? Well, in our case, we don't have a washing machine in a caravan or in the awning, and Marek has to walk to laundrette to do our washing. We chose to have a dishwasher instead. We could have a washing machine here, and I know that some people living in caravans do have washing machines, either smaller camping washing machines or proper. We could have a proper washing machine here in the awning. But the argument for having a dishwasher rather than a washing machine was that we don't wash our clothes every day, and we use a dishwasher every day or twice a day. Perhaps you had to face a similar choice. Maybe you had only one empty space in the kitchen and you had to choose a dishwasher or a washing machine. Let me know what you chose, whether you have both. Maybe you have one in the kitchen, one in the utility room or a garage. Let me know, and let me know what would you choose if you had to choose between a washing machine and a dishwasher. Write it in the comments. We love our garden on sunny days, and it's amazing how quickly it becomes messy and cluttered. It's quite small. We have our garden furniture, our tables, chairs, Diesel's beds, Diesel's bowls. And I'm not natural at keeping order. Marek is. The minute Marek finishes one activity or one task, he tidies up, and there's no trace that he did it. If you visit me in the afternoon, if I haven't tidied up yet, you will see exactly what I was doing for all day, what I was eating for breakfast, whether I had tea or coffee or how many coffees I had, what I was doing in the garden. I leave a trail of mess behind me. Are you like that, or are you like Marek? Anyway, before Marek comes back from work, I would better tidy up this garden. all done. So now we will move inside and tidy up inside. We'll start with the bed, and I will share a little secret with you, a secret of having a clean van, or at least creating an impression that it's clean, because you notice that during live streams this bed is always covered, and this is my little secret. Because the bed is big. It probably takes about, I don't know, a fifth of all space we have here. So it's super important to keep it in order and keep it nice and tidy. And I have a confession to make. This bedspread is only used during filming or when we do a live stream, because for the rest of the time Diesel is here on the bed. He likes to nest in it and dig through bedding, and yes, we allow him to do that. When we are at work, he doesn't have much to do in the caravan, and that provides him something to do, basically. So yes, we sacrifice our bedding. It means we have to shake off sand and sometimes grass from our bed. It means I have to wash our bedding twice a week. But it keeps Diesel happy, and how could you refuse anything to such a sweet dog? Anyway, so this is my secret of creating an impression of a clean van. A bedspread. Get yourself a bedspread and just cover your bed, because even nice bedding, especially if you have a pet, it doesn't look great if it's not covered. Better, isn't it? The bed looks much better. And if you are thinking, why on earth are they having a Christmas blanket on in the summer? Well, the answer is very simple and very logical. It's one of Diesel's favorite blankets, so it's on. Let me know if you're also a bit, what to call it? A bit weird when it comes to spoiling your pet. There is one more last chore to do, and of course a vlog about chores around the caravan wouldn't be complete, wouldn't be valid, and wouldn't be attractive without doing the cassette, without emptying your body fluids, which are collected in a plastic box. So I personally don't have any problems with doing a cassette. If you've seen another video about cassette, you know that we only do number 1 in the caravan, so it's not awful. It's only urine in this box. So when it's full, it's quite heavy. So I try to do it often. Well, normally Marek does it, but if I do it, I try to do it often, so it's not so heavy. There is a special video in which I explain how we deep clean our toilet cassette. For some reason, everyone is always super excited about that. It's just the fact of living in a caravan. You wee in a plastic box and then you have to empty it. I really hate giving sexes to different chores and calling something a woman's job or a man's job. Probably most of cassettes are emptied by the men, and I had a funny conversation with my neighbor about it. She said, well, my husband does it, so I might just as well let him do it. So ladies out there living in a caravan touring, do you do your cassette? Or if you have a partner, does he do it? Or maybe she does it? Who's avoiding doing the cassette? I'm sure you would love to see me emptying this cassette, am I right? So yes, I'm going to do it. I'm going to carry it to the chemical waste point, and I'm going to drag a camera with me for your entertainment. So I hope that you will reward me with a like and a comment and maybe even a subscription if you enjoy my content. Here we go. I'm doing it. I'm walking it. I'm walking with it. It's only getting awkward when I walk through this bar deck with my cassette sometimes. So I choose the path and choose the grass rather than steps and decking. However, steps and decking, that's a shortcut, but it's a bit awkward to, just a bit awkward to walk around with your body fluid around people who are enjoying a drink on the deck. So a little stop. It's quite heavy. I reckon it's between 5 to 10 kilograms. At the moment, when it's full, it's super heavy. A bit of a struggle for me. Anyway, onwards and upwards to the chemical point. Job done. And please remember, when you use a chemical toilet, it's like any other toilet. It needs to be flushed afterwards. Not everyone remembers that, unfortunately. Okay, the cassette is empty. That means a few days of win, a few days of win in luxury in the caravan. So this is almost, well, that's everything done. Everything what I planned for today is done. So now the leisure bit, the best bit, walking the dog. Right, that's it. Have you watched the whole video? Are you still with me? Let me know in the comments. So how does it all compare to living in a house and chores around the house and housekeeping in a house? Some jobs are exactly the same, like cleaning, dusting, doing your laundry, washing your dishes and so on. Some jobs are caravan specific, like emptying your cassette or cleaning your caravan. That's due, by the way. You have to clean your van a few times in a year to keep it nice and shiny. It would be hard to hose down and brush your house, wouldn't it? So the moral of this story is whatever lifestyle you choose, whether you live in a caravan house, van, boat, or even a bamboo hut, there will be chores to do, so you'd better find a way of managing them. My way is to just stay in my work clothes when I plan a session of my caravan chores and just do them a few times a week. Probably not every day, maybe little jobs every day, but a nice an hour and a half, 2 hours session, probably twice a week will do it, will sort you. So let me know how you manage it. I hope you are not doing it on your day off. I try to squeeze it on my working day. That's my take on that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, that you will like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. It's a bit sad that most of our viewers don't subscribe to the channel. It is free, much appreciated, and it helps us enormously if you subscribe, so please do if you enjoy watching the content I produce and you want to see more. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye!